Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
有台湾后山之称的花莲，向来是民众度假的热门选项。早期即有许多来自桃竹苗的客家人因经济开发移居在此。7月的鼓王争霸战是瑞穗把仔庄地区居民为庆祝保安宫主神城隍爷圣诞衍生而来的活动，有100年历史，希望用鼓声唤起客庄庄民共同的回忆。活动会场除了提供传统鼓教让民众体验外，透过尬鼓体验、尬鼓竞技、客家产业嘉年华等，感受多元的客庄文化。
Hey, what's up? It's time for a White客家here on Icrt, and Nancy is with me again.
Hello,
Hi.
hello.
Hey, Nancy, what kind of instruments do you play?
Well, I play the standard piano and the flute.
Oh, the classic stuff, huh? You know, as a little kid and even now as a grown adult, I've always wanted to learn how to bang on the drums, like really play the drums. Percussions, yeah, I love the rhythm, you know? And that's the thing about drums, right? It's a musical instrument, but it's also used in so many like different occasions to kind of lift people's spirits and put people in sync, especially during a battle or a war.
Right. You're thinking of like marching bands, like the Great British Army had like a professional marching band with pipers and percussionists.
Exactly, yeah.
Right.
Or like in religious ceremonies or rituals, like the Japanese taiko drums, right? They use that for that occasion.
Right.
But what you mentioned is actually in tune with what we're going to talk about today. In Hualien, there is a drum battle that goes on every year.
Ooh.
And for all drummers out there, you can participate in this. And this is kind of a continuation of how, you know, the army has protected this area or village for hundreds of years. There's no more war going on anymore.
Right.
So this is kind of a symbol for that, the protection of the people. And so they hold this drum battle each and every year. And it's called 鼓王争霸战.
Ooh.
Yes. Do you know how to say banging on the drums? 打鼓
No.
In
Tell me.
Hakka. 你会讲打鼓嘛，对不对？
In
中文
Chinese?
对。
Yeah.
Okay, 那就大鼓。
Oh, it's the same. 大鼓.
Yeah, just all the 4 tones, and you got it in Hakka. That's banging on the drums. So let's go check it out, shall we? Take the train over and go to Hualien and enjoy the drum battle together. How's that?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, before we go, drum rolls, please. It's Leo to teach us some Hakka vocabulary like banging on the drum, right? 打鼓
大鼓
大鼓 And then celebrate a birthday, 要过生日
周赏日
周赏日 And finally, we're taking that train. 所以坐火车怎么说呢？
籌覆茶
籌覆茶 And there you have it. That does it for today's White 客道 here on ICRT. 俺子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.